There may be times where you want to generate large numbers of promotional codes, and let's just take an example of that. For example, let's say you're a taxi firm and you want to put a pile of leaflets in each of the fast food outlets in your town. Let's say there's 100 different fast food outlets, and each one of those piles of leaflets you want to have a different promotional code. And the reason you want to do that is because on RomanCart then you would be able to see which one of those outlets you're getting the most business from, which would be really useful information to have. So rather than having to enter 100 different promotional codes onto the system, you would use a promotional algorithm. So if we click on Add Promotional Algorithm for this, then you'll see firstly you enter the name, My Promotion, and then it says enter the definition of a valid code below. Value at position 1, add value at position 1, add value at position 1, add value at position 1 equals, and then you would enter a value in there. So let's just take an example of that. Firstly, where it says value at position, it's talking about the position in the code, and it's saying that each letter represents a number. So if we take the numbers A, B, C, D, these are positions 1, 2, 3, and 4. At position 1 we've got A, and the value of A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, and D is 4. It's just the position in the alphabet which represents the value. So in this instance, for A, B, C, D to be a code, we would add up 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals 10. So we put 10 there, value at position 1, add value at position 2, add the value at position 3, add value at position 4 equals 10. So with that in mind, that's now a valid code. Of course, any combination of those 4 letters in those positions is also a valid code. D, C, B, A, C, D, B. And just to show you that, of course, A is 1, C is 3, D is 4, and B is 2. It's the same numbers, just in a different order. Now, to make the code more cryptic, you could add, more letters, and in fact, you can use numbers as well. So instead of the letter, you can just use the actual value itself. So instead of A, C, D, B there, we could have had A, 3, D, 2, and then of course to pad it out, you could add numbers and letters to make it again look more cryptic. And the example here that I've used is obviously very simple because we're just using the values at position 1, 2, and 3, and 4. You can use any position up to 30 in the promotional code, depending on how complex and large you want your promotional codes to be, which obviously makes them a lot more difficult for someone to just kind of invent their own promotional code which would work. Okay, and then once you define that, you can set the date from for the promotion, date to, whether it's a percentage, direct, free shipping, or free product. If it's percentage or direct, you enter the percentage or the direct amount in this box here. If it's free product, you enter the free product item code in this box here. You can have a minimum order value. You can tick if the promotional code should only be used once, and whether the promotion is available on all products, in other words, on all orders, or whether there needs to be a specific product in the basket before you can use this promotional code. Remember that promotions are discounts against the whole order value. If a specific product is required to trigger it, the promotion will still be taken against the whole order value, not just the value of the specific product which triggered it.